for kicking out my girlfriend on New Year's Eve. And after that, insane Karen loses it at my restaurant. Now for every thumbs up this video gets, one Karen gets kicked out. But I have nowhere else to go. So please smash that like button. And if you're new, subscribe and turn on notifications for new stories from Reddit every single day. Karen followed me at an airport because she thought I was a lost kid. This probably needs context before I start. Both my parents are divorced and live in two separate states. I live with my mom and grandparents in Nashville, Tennessee, while over school breaks I visit my dad in Rochester, New York. I've flown alone since I was 5, and when I turned 13, my parents said it was okay if I travel without an escort on my layovers, as long as I text them when I'm boarding and when I land. Fair enough. This happened when I was 16. Now, I don't look my age and never have. There's a bad combination in my family, short jeans and a baby face. I was lucky enough to inherit both. To give you a rough image, I'm a 5-foot tall girl who weighs barely over 125 pounds with a baby face. Easy for people to mistake me as younger than I am. Well, flying was always the worst offense because I was alone. I also have bad anxiety and stutter a lot when I'm nervous, so it only adds to the age confusion more. I was coming back from New York and had a 2-hour layover in Baltimore. I decided to get some food at Chipotle. While I was eating at the food court, minding my own business and scrolling through my phone, this middle-aged, white, blonde woman with her 2 kids walks up to me. We'll just call her Karen. Karen. Hi, honey. Are you okay? Me. Yes. Why ask? Well, you seem young and you're by yourself. Oh, great. Here we go again. This wasn't the first time this happened, so I calmly told her that I was fine, and thanks for the concern. Well, apparently, Karen didn't like my answer. Her tone soon changed from a caring, concerned citizen to a demanding jerk. She told me I wasn't fine because I was a minor by myself and needed adult supervision to fly. She was correct about the minor part, but the supervision part was BS. I was flying Southwest, who allows anyone 12 and older to travel by themselves, but someone is still supervising you on the flight until you're 15. I did not need adult supervision to be in the airport past security alone, and I told her this. I politely asked her to leave me alone, and I understand the confusion. Karen was not having it. You're lying. Me. How? I have kids, and I know the airport policy about minors. Me. Clearly you don't. I already said I'm fine. Can you please leave me alone? No. Where are your parents? Me. Doesn't matter. Yes, it does. I need to complain to them. At this point, I was getting annoyed. I didn't want to tell her about the fact that my parents were divorced, but back then I saw it as the only way for her to fully understand the situation and leave me alone. Me. Ma'am, I'm 16 years old. My mom is in Nashville waiting for me, and my dad is in New York. Neither of them are in this airport, and they both know I'm by myself and are okay with it. I'm allowed to have a layover by myself, and I'm not considered an unaccompanied minor when I'm 16 years old, according to the airline. Now please, leave me alone. Karen. No, you're lying. Me. How am I lying? I know you're lying, because I have kids. I know how rebellious they are, and you are definitely not 16 years old. I was getting mad at this point. For one, what right do you have to tell me how old I am? And secondly, your kids look 7 and 5, a little too young to be going through a teenage rebellion. I stood up, put my food in my bag, and told her, I think I know how old I am. Where's your proof? I took out my driver's license. Looking back, I probably shouldn't have, but I was desperate for her to go away, with not only my birthday, but the fact I had one in the first place signified I was 16 years or older. I didn't want to show this lady my other information, so I let her see the birthday and nothing more. Karen wasn't going to swallow her pride and walk away. Karen. That still doesn't excuse you from walking around the airport by yourself. How do I know you aren't running away from home? I wanted to tell her that even if I was, it was none of her business. I repeated Southwest policy to her and told her that if she still didn't believe me, she could go on their website and check for herself or ask an employee. I then repeated for her to leave me alone or I'd get security. My bluff didn't seem to affect her. She said I wasn't going anywhere and I had to come with her and find my parents. I simply told her no and began reaching for my backpack. The Karen grabbed my wrist and started pulling me. I yanked my wrist away, grabbed my backpack, and started running. At this point, people were watching, and her kids seemed distressed, but I didn't care. I made a run for my gate. Now, I'm not very athletic, but I'm definitely